In the world of cloud technology, success begins with the right guidance. Introducing Xavor, your trusted partner in AWS CDK consultancy. At Xavor, we understand the AWS Cloud Development Kit inside out. Our team of experts has a deep knowledge of AWS CDK, empowering you to take control of your cloud infrastructure. Experience the transformation. Watch your complex cloud infrastructure become beautifully streamlined with AWS CDK. Forget the complexities of traditional AWS CloudFormation templates. Our hands-on training and support ensure your team becomes AWS CDK pros in no time. Many of our clients who have unlocked cloud success with Xavor's AWS CDK consultancy. Ready to step into the future of cloud innovation? Contact us today. Xavor, your gateway to AWS CDK excellence.